So, good morning, students. Continuation of the last video. In the last video, I explained one problem. That problem is very useful for the semester examination, but this problem also very frequently asked model in semester examination point of view. It's a very important practical problem. So now, how to solve this problem? Now the information n is equal to given, that is 100 number of samples. Directly in the previous problem we calculated x value, summation x value, but in this one here the information is given. Sum of x values 5000, summation y 10,000, summation x square 2,60,000, summation y square is equal to 10,40,000. Is a data analysis problem. So you can also apply the same technique. Now, summation xy is equal to 5,16,000. It's a data analysis problem. So, to solve problem 1, what is the requirement? Find the predicted value of y when x is 60. For this, to find predicted value of y when x is equal to 60, to construct model equation of line of regression of y on x. So now the equation of line of regression of y on x is given by y minus y bar is equal to by on x, x minus x bar. Now easily we can calculate x bar, help of the summation x by n. Now 5,000 by 100, that is 50, 0 cancel. Similarly, y bar is equal to 10,000 by sum of observations by number of observations, that is 0 cancel, that is 100. Now by on x. Now the formula is shortcut formula based on the given data. This formula is very useful. Different forms are there, already explained. You can use suitable formula for this calculation of by on x. N summation xy, summation x, summation y, whole dividing by n summation x square, summation summation x whole square. Now, with the help of this formula, easily we can calculate slope of this line, that is called y on x, by on x. No need to calculate covariance and variance here. Directly you can calculate by on x is the given information. So now n is equal to 100 summation xy 5,16,000 minus summation x 5,000 summation y 10,000 whole dividing by 100 into summation x square 2,60,000 minus summation x whole square, that is 5,000 whole square. Now, based on the simplification, now that is equal to 5,16,000 multiply with 100, 2 more zeros added. Now 5 here, adding 4 zeros, 3 zeros, 7 zeros. Whole dividing by 260, 3 zeros multiply with 2 zeros, minus 25 to 6 zeros. That is equal to, so now by subtracting this, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 16. 5 zeros, 16 lakhs here. Whole dividing by 2,60,000, 260. 5 zeros, 250, 5 zeros. Now that is 10 5 zeros. Now 5 zeros cancel. 16 by 10, that is 1.6. Now by on x is that is 1.6. Equation of line of regression of y on x is a common problem for all programs who the student can appear for degree semester examination, the student who appear for civil service examinations, Indian Statistical Service examinations, IIT JOM examinations, Assistant Statistical Officer examinations, and also other stat related any competitive examination, any entrance examination. This problem is common. Now y minus y bar is equal to 100 is equal to by on x 1.6, x minus x bar, that is 50. Now estimate y when x equal to our requirement. Estimate y when x equal to 60. X equal to 60. In this case, y minus 100 is equal to 1.6, x value 60, x value 60 minus 50, that is equal to y is equal to 100 plus 1.6 into 10, that is 100 plus 16, that is 116. This is the estimator value. So 5 marks guaranteed problem. So for semester examination, for entrance examination, the weightage is only 2 marks here. What is the predicted value of x when y is equal to 80? In this case also, we have to calculate the Now, second problem, to estimate x value when y is equal to that value 80, y is equal to 80. Now to construct equation of line of regression of x on y. The structure is x minus x bar, b x on y, y minus y bar. Already x bar and y bar calculated. X bar is 50, y bar is 100. Now here is b x on y, n into summation xy minus summation x summation y whole dividing by n summation y square. Here x is dependent, y is independent value. So now the denominator shows independent variable formula, summation y whole square. This y is independent, x is dependent in this case, because of you have to estimate x when y is 80. So now x on depends on y. Now the numerator already is calculated, that is in the previous case this is 16 lakhs here. The difference is 16 lakhs already calculated. Whole dividing by n is equal to 100, summation y square is given in the problem. Summation y square is equal to that value 10 lakhs 40,000 minus 10,000 whole square. Summation y is equal to 10,000 is given in the problem. So now here simple calculation. Now that is equal to 16 lakhs numerator value dividing by 10, 40, 000 multiply 100, 00. Here is 8 zeros because of square. Now here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now difference is 16 lakhs dividing by 40 lakhs. 40 5 zeros. These 5 zeros cancel. 16 by 40. Now 4 fours, 4 tens. Four zeros, 4 by 10. Now, so estimate y, or estimate x when y is equal to 80. In this case, now construct the equation. That equation is x minus x bar. X bar is 50. Here is by on x 0.4. Y minus y bar 100. Now x equal to 50 plus 0.4. Y value 80 minus 100. That is x equal to 50 plus 0.4 minus 20. That is equal to 50 minus, this is 4 by 10 into 20. This is 0 cancel. So now 0 0 cancel, 4 2s are 8, 50 minus 8, that is 42. Now when y is 80, the x value is 42. When y is equal to 80, then x is equal to 42 units. Now second problem is calculated. Any doubt in these problems? After watching the videos, you can send your doubts through WhatsApp chat. Now, finally problem 3. Problem 3. Problem 3. Problem 3 is what? Coefficient of correlation between x and y. Coefficient of correlation between x and y. R of x comma y. R square x comma y is equal to by on x into bx on y based on the regression properties. Now bx on y, by on x already calculated in the previous step, that is by on x is 1.6. Now this is bx on y at present calculated 0.4. Now this is 16.0.64. Multiply these two, we get this is 0.64. R square is equal to, R is equal to plus or minus root of 0.64. Both regression coefficients are positive values, 1.64, 1.6 and 0.4. Both are positive values. That's why retain positive sign. This is 0.5. Correlation coefficient between x and y is equal to 0.8. Now this problem 2 is explained, is very important problem. So in the examination point of view, very important point. Any doubt in this problem? So you can raise your doubts through WhatsApp chat. So next go to the another problem, that is problem number 3. Is very important problem for examination point of view and all other purpose. This is the problem 3. Find the most likely price in Mumbai corresponding to the price of 70 at Kolkata from the following data, and also coefficient of correlation price of commodities in the two cities 0.8. So average price standard deviation is given here. Let x equal to price of the commodity or gold, silver, any other commodity in Kolkata, price of the commodity in Kolkata, y is equal to price of the same commodity in Mumbai. So to estimate, our requirement is what here? To estimate find mostly price in Mumbai, corresponding price of 70 at Kolkata. To estimate y when x equal to 70 rupees. For this case, given information, given that average price of Kolkata 65 rupees, Mumbai 67 rupees. Standard deviation of Kolkata 2.5, the standard deviation of Mumbai 3.5. Correlation between x and y is equal to, in both cities, 0.8 is given in the problem. Help of this information, so we have to estimate a predicted value of Mumbai of the particular commodity when the price of same commodity is available at Kolkata. In this case, equation of line of regression of, so here is y on x is equal to y minus y bar is equal to b y on x minus x bar. So compared to the previous problem, this problem is entirely different. Different requirements are required to calculate our requirement. That is very important here. In this case, x bar is available, y bar is available. Now b y on x, that is r sigma y by sigma x. R is given 0.8, sigma y 3.5 is very important problem. Sigma x 2.5, that is 0.8, 5 sevens, 5 5s, 7 by 5, that is 8 into, without calculator, how can calculate this one? 8 into 5 into 10. Now 5 2 5s, 2 4s. 28 by 25, that is b y on x. No simplification. Now line construction, y minus y bar is equal to, given in the problem, y minus y bar is 67 is equal to b y on x 28 by 25, x minus x bar is 65. Now to estimate y, the price of Mumbai when x is equal to 70, x equal to 70 at Kolkata. In this case, y minus 67, 28 by 25 into 70 minus 65. Y minus 67 is equal to 28 by 25 into 5. 5 times cancel. That y minus 67 is equal to 5.6. That is y is equal to 67 plus 5.6. Y is equal to 72.6. That is the estimator value. The price of commodity at Mumbai is rupees 72.6 when the price of same commodity at Kolkata is rupees 70. This is the interpretation. This is very practical problem, very important problem for the upcoming examinations. Problem 3 explained here. Especially semester and students examination point of view, this problem is very useful problem. One more problem. Just a minute, I will copy that problem from the source. Problem 4. Problem 4. So this problem is very important problem. So it's a 10 marks problem, definitely. So very important problem for the all examinations, especially for competitive examinations also is very common problem. So 3 different problems are there. In a partially destroyed laboratory, record of analysis of correlation data, the following results only are legible. It is given that variance of x is 9. So from this sigma x is equal to 3. 2 regression equations are given. So this is different model. In the previous problems, so we construct the regression equations and find out the requirement, but in this problem already 2 regression equations are given, but which one is x on y, which one is y on x is not given, but based on our properties we have to calculate, we have to identify which equation is y on x, which equation is x on y. Now this is 8x minus 10 by plus 66 is equal to 0 is the first equation. Let second equation 40x minus 18y is equal to 214 is second equation. Our convenience, these 2 equations are labeled as 1 and 2. Now let us suppose that equation 1 is y on x and equation 2 is x on y. Based on the techniques, here we have to consider the only coefficients of x irrespective of signs. Now apply the matrix technique AD and BC. Now it is called, no need to take original procedure by using shortcut method. Now help of the regression equation properties. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. AD less than BC, The line 1 is y on x, line 2 is x on y. AD is greater than BC, line 1 is x on y, line 2 is y on x. So based on that one, here is what is the property here? Based on that properties, AD less than BC, line 1 is y on x and line 2 is x on y. AD greater than BC, line 1 is x on y and line 2 is y on x. Our supposition may be wrong, may be correct. So in this case, here A value, irrespective of signs, A value 8, B value 10, only consider the constants. Don't take the signs. Treating as so positive cases here. 8, A is equal to 8, B is equal to 10, C is equal to 40, D is equal to 18. Now, so AD is equal to 8 into 40, BC is equal to 10 into 18. BD, it is wrong here. Now change this one here. This is D value, A value 8, D value 18. So now BC, B value 10, B value 10, C value BC 40. AD is equal to 18 eighths 64, 144. This is BC is equal to 400. Therefore, based on shortcut, AD is less than BC. Our supposition is equation 1 is y on x, equation 2 is x on y. Our supposition is right. Our supposition is correct. Therefore, after that, we can able to calculate our requirements. First problem, the mean values of x and y. The mean values of x and y. Both regression lines must passes through the x bar and y bar. Is a fundamental rule. So these points on both line 1 and line 2, 8x bar minus 10y bar 10y bar plus 66 is equal to 0. Next 40x bar minus 18y bar minus 214 is equal to 0. This is line 1, this is line 2. Now equation 1, equation 2, solve. Solve 1 and 2, we get help of the algebraic method, easily we can solve this one. So now multiply equation 1 is multiply with 5, that is 40x bar 50y bar plus 330 is equal to 0. 40x bar minus 18y bar minus 214 is equal to 0. Now here is subtract this value minus plus, this is plus. Now here is minus 32 minus 32 minus 32 y bar, here is minus plus plus adding, plus 5 4 4 is equal to 0. 32 y bar is equal to 544, y bar is equal to 544 by 32, that is 17 times. 32 into 17. Use calculator, divide this one. 544 dividing by 32, that is equal to 17 exactly. The mean of y is equal to 17. Substitute this value any one of the equation 1 or 2, we will get so x bar. So 8x bar minus 10 y bar means 17, so that is equal to minus 66. 8x bar is equal to 170 minus 66, that is equal to, here is 104, x bar is equal to 104 by 8, that is 13 times. The mean of x, the mean of x is equal to mean of y is equal to 17. Second problem, correlation between is a very important one. Correlation is very important model. How calculate correlation from the equations? The given regression equations are 8x minus 10y is equal to minus 66. It is the y on x line. Y on x line format is y is equal to format. Now in this case, minus 10y is equal to 8x minus 66, y is equal to 8 by 10, multiply with minus sign also, 66 by 10. In this case, y on x is equal to 8 by 10. Now similarly, second equation 40x minus 18y is equal to 214. It is X on Y line based on the previous technique. We identified this is X on Y line. So now this is 40x is equal to 18y plus 216, x equal to 18 by 40y plus 216 by 40. Now in this case bx on y is equal to 18 by 40. Using this, so 3 and 4. Using 3 and 4, we can able to calculate correlation. So correlation formula asks square root of both are positive values, retain positive sign. So b x on y into b x on y into b y on x, square root of that is b y on x 8 by 10, 8 by 10 into 18 by 40. Now 4 2s, 4 tenths. Now square root of 36 by 100, that is equal to 6 by 10. Now correlation coefficient between these two regression between x and y is 0.6. This is the problem 2. Problem 3. Calculate standard deviation of y. Calculate standard deviation of y, that is sigma y. Now in this case we have to use either bx on y or y on x. By on x is 8 by 10. The formula is r into sigma y by sigma x 8 by 10. Already sigma x is given in the beginning. In the problem, the variance of x is given. Help of this one r value 0.6 by 10. Sigma y to be find out. Sigma x is given. That value is equal to 3. Variance is given. Variance of x is 9. So standard deviation of x is 3 is equal to 8 by 10. Now this implies 6 by 10 into sigma y by 3 is equal to 8 by 10. 10 cancel, 2 times cancel, 2 4 times cancel. Sigma y is equal to 4. This is the standard deviation of standard deviation of y is equal to 4. Now all problems are explained. For who are appearing for semester examinations, take all these problems. These 4 examples are very important for upcoming semester examination. Definitely 1 or 2 questions will be given in the upcoming examination. Who are appearing for competitive examinations or entrance examination, these models are very useful here. So some shortcuts are there. So using that shortcuts easily we can calculate our requirement. But in this problem there are 3 models are there. For competitive examinations, for entrance examinations, only 1 question will be given. So now help of these techniques easily we can choose the answer within specified time. Now the session is over. Good luck.